Welcome to our video on modern dining room decor. We're sharing fun ideas to make your dining room awesome with cool wooden tables. We'll cover trendy styles, bright colors, great lighting, and how to make everything look perfect together. Whether you like simple or bold looks, you'll find easy tips to create a dining space you love. Let's jump into these exciting decor ideas for your home. Let's check out popular dining room styles. Minimalist style has clean lines and soft colors like white for a simple vibe. Scandinavian style is cozy with light wood and warm textures. Organic modern mixes sleek furniture with plants or stone. Choose a style that feels like you. These designs make your dining room trendy and inviting. Pick one to make your space super cool. Wooden dining tables are the heart of your room. They're strong, warm, and match any style. Try a live-edge table for a natural look. Sleek rectangular tables in dark would feel modern. Round tables work great for small spaces and cozy meals. Pick a table that fits your room and family. A wooden table makes every dinner feel special and super stylish. colors make your dining room shine. Neutral tones like beige or gray keep it calm and classic. For a bold touch, use deep green or navy on walls or chairs. An all-white look feels clean and fancy. Mix colors carefully so they look good together. Test paint in your room's light to make sure it matches your wooden table perfectly. Lighting makes your dining room feel special. A big chandelier over the table looks modern and cool. Pendant lights in gold or black add a chic vibe. Wall lights give a soft glow for cozy dinners. Use dimmable lights to set the mood for parties or quiet meals. Great lighting highlights your table and makes every meal feel like a fun event. Wall art adds personality to your dining room. Hang a big, colorful painting for a bold look. A group of small frames makes a cool gallery wall. Mirrors make the room feel bigger and brighter. Choose art that fits your style, like abstract for modern or nature for organic. Place it where everyone can see it while eating to spark fun conversations. Plants bring freshness to your dining room. A tall plant in a corner looks awesome. Small potted plants or succulents on the table are cute. Hanging plants save space and feel trendy. Greenery makes the room calm and cozy. Use pots in colors like white or gold to match your style. Plants are an easy way to make your dining space feel lively. Storage keeps your dining room tidy. A sideboard with doors hides plates and napkins. Open shelves show off pretty dishes or decor. Baskets under the table hold extra stuff. Pick storage that matches your table, like wood or metal. A clean room feels relaxing and welcoming. Smart storage makes it easy to keep your dining room neat and super stylish.